a possibility here for Nani, who's got him behind. And there is the Danisa comeback concert for him here.
Well, he's done a wonderful job throughout the competition of stretching the back line. And one of the criticisms of Portugal in this tournament is they haven't done it.
High pressure from France. It's fallen to Griezmann. Flicks it on towards Giroud. And Sissoko cannot keep it down. But France get it back again. They're playing at 100 miles an hour. Griezmann couldn't quite get it right. Not so fluent Portuguese, apparently. Because Cristiano Ronaldo is down injured.
You see Payet just coming in here, but watch the left leg, the left knee of Cristiano Ronaldo. Immediately goes to that left knee. And Ian, as the play was moving on, he was in immediate pain grabbing that left knee.
Slip from Pepe, the surface was Walton heavily. Griezmann! Great effort with his header.
Immediately when that ball turns over, you're finding Antoine Griezmann on top of the 18, almost an idea.
That was going in as well, and needed saving. Payet with the corner kick. Giroud knockout rounds. Adrian Silva can get. Returns Sissoko! And Rui Patricio.
We go back to this chance from Sissoko. The ball's played direct to Giroud. He lays it off to Griezmann. Then you get Payet coming in. But Sissoko in this first half has been the best player, the most effective player.
Played in by João Malio. The header. Better looking cross goes all the way. Griezmann was in space. Good defending. Rafael Guerreiro. And then Pogba's effort. Coman's first involvement is good. Griezmann. Good effort. But the angle was a
Pogba stay back there, and it gives you 3 against 1 against Nani. The way to break down this team is to go wide and to throw numbers wide.
Coman to Griezmann.
Throughout this entire tournament, he's put this chance away. Great ball in from Kingsley Coman.
Coman from a long way out and a long way wide too.
Olivier Giroud. I just wonder if that's a move coming up here.
Coman, he got lucky. Here is Giroud. Great save from Rui Patricio there. Third down. Nani. Now they do have someone to aim at in the middle. It's Eden. Oh, the goalkeeper there was caught out of position. Quaresma's effort. He's grabbed that Towers around him.
How about this effort from Quaresma on the rebound? But for 80 minutes.
Titi brought it out of defense. Sissoko! There's no beating Rui Patricio, it seems, today. He'll take something special. There he is again, Sissoko.
Has had a game for himself tonight. He's been so good at pushing the tempo, but also penetrating through the middle. Perfect technique. Everything's perfect, except that Rui Patricio's in that. Portugal needs everything to bounce their way, and right now they've got a goalkeeper standing.
Good turn. And there might be something here. Oh, it's off the post. Gignac.
Oh, but look at the movement of Gignac inside the 18. This is why he's in the roster. I mentioned it earlier, 27 goals in Liga MX. He's just so good in tight spaces, finishing plays off. He does everything right. Other than that ball hitting the inside of the post and coming out. Every single bounce right now going Portugal's way.
Quaresma plays it in the down by Eder. Beaten away. Trying to go. I remember Portugal have done that in this tournament. 117th minute winner against Croatia. Now handball. And a yellow card for
Very proactive, causing some real issues here. And looking at that replay, I think that ball hits Adair's hand. That ball hits Adair's hand. That ball did not touch Koscielny's hand. defended.